Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to make an activity of gift wrapping with paper glass. Okay, now materials required for it are paper glass, glue, satin ribbon, sketch pens, colored strip for decoration, scissor and a punch machine. So we'll start with the activity. Okay. We'll first of all take a paper cup and cut the end border of it. Now cut a part of it about 1 centimeter in this way. At the same distance. Now fold it, the cut part, in this way. It will look like this. Okay, now cut the ends of it. So that it can give a good effect of packing. It will look like this. Now take a punch and make a hole in each part of the cutting. Okay, now take a satin and put it from inside and take it outside the ribbon. Again, put the satin from inner part of the cut. And do it in the same way. Okay, complete it. Cover all the parts, cut parts with satin ribbons. So it will appear like this. Now you can put some sweets or chocolates or any small gifts in it. and pull the satin in this way and tie it at the end, giving it a gift effect. Now you can decorate it with color paper or sequins. I have taken a strip. You can write your wordings or best wishes. Apply a glue on a paper cup. Take a strip and stick it round on the paper cup. You can also decorate it with sequins if you want. It's an option for you. See how beautiful it is. We can make it from best out of waste. Yes? Hope you enjoyed this activity. Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaste.